Friends, it's been a stressful day. Let me show you what I do to de-stress. I make slime. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So we're going to use some multi-purpose solution. We're going to use clear glue for this one and just a pinch of baking soda. So I pour out my glue and I pour on the solution and a little bit, just a sprinkle of the baking soda. Now, I always have one hand. I do the stirring with one hand, and I keep one of them clean so that I can use it to spray the solution. So this contact lens solution, you just keep spraying it. See how sticky it is? I know it doesn't seem like this is a really good thing, but you just keep stirring and pulling and kind of kneading it. Add the solution. If it's too sticky, keep adding the solution. I promise it gets there, and then it gets to this. And yes, right now it's still too sticky, so we're going to continue to add our solution and keep stretching it and whatnot. And eventually it's going to be not sticky to sit, like it won't stick to your hands anymore, but it'll still be pliable. Does that make sense? So there it is. And look at, quit it right now. Oh, this just helps me de-stress so much. All right, so the next one we're going to use is some white glue, and then we're going to spray some shaving cream and then the solution on it again. Now we're going to, again, leaving that one hand clean, and we're going to use the other one to stir it. Again, that multi-purpose solution is the key to this, and you just keep stirring and stirring. This one goes a lot faster, but sadly, if you have allergies, it might be an issue because of the shaving cream. But see, we got it all in here. Now, there's going to be several clips where I'm not going to talk because you're going to hear exactly why this helps me feel better. I know it's going to sound crazy, but this really does help de-stress. I did add some red and blue food coloring to this one just because I wanted to see if I could make it purple. If you're going to do this, just be aware you're going to stain your fingers if you don't wear gloves or you're not careful. Ask me how I know that. Anyway, there's that. And then we just keep kneading it, and this is, see, de-stress right here. Just watching this helps me de-stress. I don't know what it is. It just is and listen, I know this isn't for everybody, but thank you for extending me some grace because I needed to do this today, and I am super happy that I got to share it with you. And you'll hear it. Just wait, listen. Oh, that crackle. Ooh, gets me every time. Love it. And the snippety snap of the, yeah, I love it. And again, you can, however you need to do it. You can stretch it, swirl it, whatever. But this is my jam for de-stress, and my children love it. I can't tell you how many little Ziplocs of these I have around my house. It's, yeah. It's true. So at the end, once I get it all done, I just, like I said, put them in Ziplocs. You can put them in airtight containers. But man, if you are a stressed person, you might give it a try. Just a suggestion. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for hanging out with me and making my day a little bit better. I appreciate all of you. Thanks so much. And I hope this inspires you.